Oh guys, it's so heavy. It's so heavy, something come from my collaborator. I have no idea what it is. Let's take a watch. How to pen open? Do not cut the stuff inside. I should open very carefully, I'm afraid. Yes, this is SPF sun protection, most sun protection clothes ever. So here one cloth, another, one more. Wow, four. What's that? 6, 5, 10. Each item in special bags, so you can go to vacation and keep them separate. And let's start from finally I got the item most protection face from the sun. I love that so much, guys. All the time I'm struggling how to say this in English. All the time I put so many cream, but the problem is when you put SPF cream and I go out from home sometimes 7 a.m. and come back home 7 p.m. cream can hold protection for 1-2 hours period, because I'm going to beach. I live in beach area. So if you're interested where I live, drop comment, I will explain you. That's the best things I ever have to have in home where I'm living right now, in an ocean of Caribbean. I am definitely in love with that, and that will be the best favorite hat which one I will use forever. Wow. Here you can also have option something like to take it away. You can make it back, you can take it away completely, you can take it away just half, like that, for example, keep it behind. For ponytail you have opportunities to make your hair over here. It's exactly what I really would love sometimes, to make it more feminine, like lady, and that's also a little bit like intriguing. I really love how it looks, and for my opinion that can be better. Drop in comment if you would wear it, or it's like a little bit too much, close of too much. Me, I really would love. Watch how it's made it inside, so you can take this out. It's an incredible high quality. This is brand, I almost forgot the name, Beneunder, and I'm wondering why it's not famous to all over planet as is Beneunder, because I never saw even better quality. Watch how details made it all over around. Some Chinese, even paper made it with quality. Here something in China language, but watch all this is plastic over here, how it's connected over there, and make all tissue. I cannot believe that it's not so fancy and famous to all over planet, because my opinion there can be nothing better than this one. Let's try another things. I'm very interested, I'm very exciting and very surprised. I don't know what it is there, and let's see. Wow. Now, Beneunder, I immigrated just very short time ago. I am immigrated to Caribbean, and when I immigrated, I was so tired to put cream all the time, and I cannot understand which clothes to put. I start to use like beach clothes. Beach clothes not really comfortable to go to shopping or drive bicycle. I do so many activities, but finally later on I found Beneunder. Oh, I love it. This is the target of these pants is that protect you from sun. Have a special pocket. This is not it anymore. You can make it closer, more far, how it's more comfortable for you. For different taille, you can change your sizing. I love that so much. Watch. And fabric, a little bit like see-through, but you know that see-through is my second name. Oh yeah, I love this fabric, that's the best. And I love how it looks from behind. It looks exactly like a little bit special, really special. It not looks like just pants to beach, because clothes from beach, it looks like cheap, and sometimes I wear it and to go to fancy places looks not really. This is old money style. You can wear this to beach, you can wear this to nice restaurants, and you can put this to yacht. And benefit from this fabric is patented special fabric which one keeps you cooling inside. It's not just protection from your heating, but it's also protection from, not protection just from sunburn, but also protection from heating. It's like cooling fabric, patented, protect from heat, from sun, and maximum fast get dry. So that's how it looks. Oh, that's heavy. Can be better. Really. Let's see what is next coming over here. I'm very excited. It's like really crazy inside. And then look how they make high quality package. This package made it looks very close. Designer, very expensive. This is and special bags and papers inside, which one keeps it strong, whatever over here. For me it's packaged like for a million. I don't understand why people do not use this everybody. And that's the best things. What's that? Yeah, that's a really cool. Of course, my favorite protection, your hands from sun, which one destroy your skin and makes you older. That's protection. And let's see what is here. Oh yes. First need to put hat and after put everything else. Oh yes, it's the most favorite clothes I ever wear in all my life. Guys, I'm ninja. And I'm specially testing these clothes to be in for a while inside to let you know honest reviews that, believe it or not, but it's really protect me right now from heat. And it's not just protect from sun. Also, why I really love these clothes, we can test it with water. And I will let you know if it's really fast dry. Let's see how it works. When you put water, you can see a little bit spots from water, and you already almost don't see. And of course, when you're in sun, it's getting dry faster than you in room of home.